In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to land your DJI drone on your hand. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Landing a DJI drone in hand offers greater control over the landing process, preventing damage from rough or uneven surfaces. It also allows for quicker retrieval and packing in challenging environments. Basically, it all starts with understanding how your drone behaves, especially when it comes to its sensors. One common situation is when you attempt to grab the drone and its sensors detect your hand. This usually causes the drone to ascend slightly, which is a normal response. The drone's downward-facing sensors are designed to detect obstacles beneath it. When they sense your hand, they interpret it as an obstruction and trigger the drone to fly upwards to avoid a potential collision. This is a built-in safety feature to prevent accidents. To safely grab the drone, follow these steps. First, position your hand underneath the drone, being mindful that the sensors may detect your hand and cause the drone to move upwards slightly. This upward movement is nothing to worry about. It's simply the drone's way of responding to the sensor's detection. Next, to counteract this ascent, push the left stick on the controller fully down. This action will reduce the drone's altitude, allowing it to begin descending. As the drone lowers, you can gently grab it. Once you have a secure hold, keep the drone steady, and its propellers will automatically stop. This occurs because the drone's sensors detect that it is being held, and the propellers are designed to turn off to prevent any accidental injury. By following these steps, you can safely handle your drone without encountering issues related to sensor behavior. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.